In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create and download a PDF file on Canva. So for a project to qualify as a PDF on Canva, you need to have at least 2 pages. So once you've got multiple pages on your project right here, as you can see, I've got page 1 and I've also got page 2. Now fill your project with whatever content that you are having inside your PDF. And then once you have done this, what we will then be able to do is head to the top right hand corner, click on share. And then once we click on share, you now want to select download. Once we click on download, you want to go to the top to file type, click on the drop down menu, and here is where you will now need to select PDF standard or PDF print. Now PDF standard is the one that most people will use. This is best for documents where you can then send this as an email. You can share this as a downloadable, whether people pay for this or you give them it out for free or whatever it may be. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create and download a PDF on Canva.